How to fix X login error attestation denied. This error on X usually means that X failed a device security check. This often happens because of VPNs, modified apps, jailbroken devices, outdated system apps, or corrupted login data. So the first thing I'm gonna need you to do is turn off any VPNs if you have any currently running. Once you've done that, and if that still doesn't work, then open up your browser and then log into Twitter from your browser. If you're on Android, you can try deleting the cache and the data of the app. However, on iPhone, unfortunately, you have to delete the app. So let's delete app. There you go. And then you need to reinstall it back again. So that's kind of like clearing the cookies. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.